Hi guys, welcome back to the channel with Dollar General. I'm going to go inside and show you some deals that you can do this Saturday, taking advantage of your 5 off 25. And of course, it'll be all digitals, and most of them will be new digitals except for one, the Advanced Airwick. I still have that 4 off 1 digital, and in a few of the scenarios will have that digital in there. The first deal we're going to get into is a women's care deal. The first item you're going to pick up is one of these chic razors at $6, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. Next item you're going to pick up is this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant at $6.50, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. This is like a baby oil, but it's like a gel. Next item you're going to pick up is one of these Dove deodorants at $6.85, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. And the last item in this deal you're going to pick up is this Dove body wash at $7.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. After all digitals listed in your 5 off 25, you should pay $9.85 plus tax for this women's care deal. Okay, moving on to our men's care deal. The first item you'll pick up is one of these Dove Men Care body wash at $5.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. The next item you'll pick up is one of these Old Spice deodorants. They're $4.50, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon. The next item I'll pick up is one of these chic razors at $7, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. And my store is out of the chic razors for men. The next item you'll pick up is one of these Oral-B Floss Fix. They're $3.35, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. The next item you'll pick up is this Colgate toothpaste, baking soda and peroxide. They're $1, and we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. And the last item you'll pick up in this men care deal are these Oral-B. These are the soft, and that is the 4-pack, and they're $3.75, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. After all digital coupons and your 5 off 25, you should pay $8.60 plus tax for this men care deal. Moving on to our baby care deal, the first 2 items you'll pick up is 2 of these gloves. They're actually on sale 2 for $15, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. The next item you'll pick up is one of these Huggies 50 cents count. They are $2.75, and we have a 25 cents off 1 digital coupon. And the last item you'll pick up in this baby care deal is one of these Arm & Hammers. They are 105 of the sensitive skin. They're on sale actually for $9, and we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. After all digital coupons and your 5 off 25, you should pay $14.50 plus tax for this deal. But if you have that $2 clip, that's going to come out first. And I'm not sure if all accounts got the $3, because some of my accounts have 2 in the $3. Moving on to our gain deal, the first item you pick up is one of these Swiffer Wets. They're $5.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. And guys, it has to be gain cent because we're using our 5 off 30 gain threshold coupon. Next item you're going to pick up is one of these Gain Cleans. They're $7.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. And then the next item you're going to pick up is one of these Gain detergents. They're $15.95, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. And the last item you're going to pick up is one of these Gain Fireworks. They're $4.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. After all digital coupons listed, your 5 off 30 and your 5 off 25, you should pay $17.45 plus tax for this deal. Keep in mind, guys, that big detergent is $15.95 by itself. If you have some older coupons, say like the Febreze, use those. And we do have a couple of the $1.05 from last week, but as you know, I like to kind of use new coupons just in case. If you followed the deal last week, those coupons are not going to be available. And this 5 off 30 I'm using is a new 5 off 30 that they gave us this Sunday. Okay guys, moving on to our Scott deal. The first item you'll pick up is one of these Scott paper towels. The ones that are at $6.50. Those are attaching to the promotion. When you spend $15, save $3. The ones that are $5 are not attaching to that promotion. So pick up the ones that are $6.50, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon. Then our next item is going to be one of these Advanced Warmers. They're $4, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon, which makes this completely free. Next item we're going to pick up is this Gain Fireworks. They are $4.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. The next item we're going to pick up is one of these Snuggle fabric softeners. They are actually $3.75, and we have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon. And the last 2 items we're going to pick up are 2 of these Scott tissues at $5. And here's the promotion I was talking about. When you spend $15 On Scott, save 3. So, okay guys, you know when anytime you're doing instant savings, that's gonna come out first. So our subtotal is $28.75. After your $5.25, your $3 instant savings, and all the coupons listed, you're gonna pay $11.50 plus tax for this Scott deal. Okay guys, moving on to our household central deal. The first item we're going to pick up is one of these True Living dish soaps. They are $1.95 and we have the 50% off one digital coupon. The next item we're going to pick up is this 10 equals 20 sparkle. They're actually on sale this week for $11.95 and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. The next item we're going to pick up is this Purex detergent. They're $3.75 and we have $1.25 off 1 digital coupon. The next item we're going to pick up is one of these 4 packs of cotton nail. They're $5 and we have $1 off 1 digital coupon. The last item we're going to pick up in this deal is Airwick Advance. They're $4 and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. After all digital coupons and your 5 off 25, you should pay $12.90 plus tax for this deal, which to me, it's a great deal. Even though it's a little higher, but it's a great deal because this is like getting 2 packs of sparkles. And also guys, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so if you know if that's clipped, that's going to come off first. And we also have a 4 off 2. Now this is the size I used to get all the time. Now moving on to our Purcell Snuggle and All deal. The first time you pick up is one of these Purcells at $5.50 and we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. The next item you'll pick up is one of these Snuggle fabric socks. They are $3.75 and we have $1.25 off 1 digital coupon. The next item you'll pick up is one of these all detergents. They are $12. We do not have a digital coupon, but they are giving back in the app $3 when you purchase. And then the last item you're going to pick up in this deal is one of these Energizer batteries. The 4 packs. They are $5 and we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. After all digital coupons, your 5 off 20 for the Purcell Snuggle and All threshold coupon. Your Saturday 5 off 25. You're going to pay $10.50 plus tax out of pocket, but you're going to get $3 back for the all. Once you get that cash back, it's going to be $7.50 plus tax out of pocket. Okay, moving on to our food deal. The first item you're going to pick up is one of these V8 Splash. They are $2.25 and we have a 25 cents off 1 digital coupon. The next item you're going to pick up is one of these Dasani's water, the 24 count. My tag says $6.25, but online it says $5.95 and we do have $1 off 1 digital coupon. I'm going to pick up one of these and see what they're going to rank up for. And I'll let you guys know before I end this video. The next 2 items we're going to pick up are 2 of the General Mills cereal. They're on sale 2 for $6 and we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon. Just make sure you look in your app and scan to see which ones are 2 for $6. Remember guys, they were 2 for $5 last week. Prices are definitely going up. So you're going to pick up 2 of them, the ones that are 2 for $6. And the General Mills cereal are the Lucky Charms, chocolate Lucky Charms, the Golden Grahams, the Cheerios, the Reese's Puffs, the Cookie Crisps, the Kit Kat. So yeah, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Next item you'll pick up is one of these Fisher Boys fish sticks. They're $3.95 and we have $1 off 1 digital coupon. The next 2 items we're going to pick up is 2 of these Oscar Mayer's Deli Shave lunch meat. They're $3.25 each and we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon. And the last item we're going to pick up is one of these Joe Plate. They're 95 cents. We do not have a digital coupon. After all digitals listed in your 5 off 25, you should pay $16.35 plus tax. And of course, if you get EBT, there's not going to be any tax. Guys, I just tried to use my $5.01 back from P&G. It says anything, but I tried to get it with the Scott and the one Sherman tissue. It's not working. The 501's not come off, so I'm assuming it has to be P&G items and it's going to come off with it. So what I'm going to do is, because I tried to do it with 3 Swiffer Wets, only the 5 off 1 and the 2, I think the $2 came off. So what I'm going to have to do is, to be able to use it, I'm going to scan it separately, the Swiffer Wets, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I just made 2 separate transactions with the Swiffer Wets. I did 1 on each transaction and it did come off. The 501 came off, but the 2 off 1 digital coupon did not come off. So that's that. So it does work, which is, of course, you know, this is a P&G item, but I'm assuming because it's only going to work on P&G items. So that coupon did that last time, and then it also, like, one day I came in to use a few of them on my different accounts, and it worked on the P&G items. And then when I went to go do the at this time I had a lot of accounts disclaimer, and then it worked on some stuff that was not P&G, because I bought my baby some it wasn't household items, it was just like regular items. He was with me with some toys, and it worked. And then the next day I came in to redeem again on different stuff like that, and it wouldn't work. So I don't know. But anyway, if you did take advantage of when you spend 20 or spend 15 on P&G items, get the 501 back. For me, at this location that I'm at, it's only working on P&G items. Hey guys, let me backtrack for a minute on one of my deals, particularly the deals with the Swiffer Wets, and I believe it's the game deal. As you can see, I have 3 of the 12 count, and these are the 3 coupons that are attaching to it, that 2 off 1. But when I scan the 10 count gain cent, that 2 off 1 is not showing up. I don't have any 12 counts available in my store to scan to see if you're attached to it. But upon reading the digital coupon right here, it excludes the 10 and 12 count wet cloth refills. Yeah, this is why it's important to scan in the store before you go to the register, because I was going off the in-app, and the in-app shows all the coupons that are attached to it. So I'm not sure if it's going to attach to this 12 count or not, but I scanned the 10 count and it does not attach to the 10 count at all. So with that deal, you're going to have to find something else to replace it if you're planning on doing that gain deal. This gain deal right here that I showed you guys, you're gonna have to replace that $5.50, and it has to be a gain product. So if you have that 3 off 30 on 2 for the Febreze, pick up 2 of the Febreze gain cent airs, or the small space. We do have some gain dindles like that, the 105s, things like that in the app. The dryer sheets 105. Guys, I do apologize about that, but I'm glad I caught it before this the end of this video, because of course, you know, I'm not going to be editing it out. This is live, real, uncut. But yeah, it does not attach to the gain scented 10 count Swiffer Wets. I'm not sure about the 12 count because they do not have any 12 count in store, but it does attach to the gain scented I believe this is the 24 count. That $2 off 1 does attach to that. And to be honest, guys, until they start giving us a better gain threshold coupon and better gain digital coupons, meaning higher value, I honestly wouldn't do this gain deal this week. I'm being honest. I wouldn't do it period any week until they do better by giving us high value coupons and go back to the 5 off 20. If you're not going to do the 5 off 20 for everybody, at least put it on some accounts, or the 5 off 15. But this 5 off 30 and those low mounts on the digital coupons is unacceptable for me. Looky guys, look what we got. We have a Monday through Friday 5 off 25. I will definitely be coming back to doing some shopping. And that water did ring up $5.95, and I used my $1 off 1 digital coupon. And these single roll Shermans that are $1. Let me see. That are $1. That 50 cents off 1 digital coupon is attaching to it, making it only 50 cents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go home and I'm going to put some deals together, and I'm going to come back for Saturday, probably tomorrow, and I'm going to do me some deals, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me and see if everything works well. All right, guys, and all I got, like I said, was the Swiffer Wets down there. Those are something that I use daily. So anyway, I'm going to end the video here. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new and you've seen multiple of my videos and have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about any scenarios, leave in the comment section. I do respond. If you could thumbs up and share, I really appreciate it. To my subscribers, my 552, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, because you didn't have to. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.